The transformation in my energy levels after turning 50 caught me completely off guard. Despite maintaining the same healthy habits, persistent fatigue became my unwelcome companion. My search for answers led me to an ancient remedy with remarkable scientific backing: sage leaf. What began as skeptical experimentation transformed into a daily practice that restored my vitality in ways modern solutions never could. This isn't about temporary energy fixes or masking symptoms. It's about addressing the root causes of age-related fatigue at the cellular level. Sage, Salvia officinalis, contains powerful compounds that directly combat the biological mechanisms of fatigue. Research published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine demonstrates that sage's rich antioxidant profile, particularly rosmarinic acid, neutralizes free radicals that accumulate with age and drain energy. My personal journey with sage began with crushing fatigue that seemed resistant to conventional approaches. Despite adequate sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular exercise, my energy levels continued declining. Blood tests showed nothing conclusive, yet daily functioning became increasingly challenging. Sage's remarkable impact on cognitive function first caught my attention. Studies from the Journal of Psychopharmacology show that sage improves memory and concentration by inhibiting acetylcholinesterase, the enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for brain function and energy regulation. What truly separates sage from other herbs is its unique ability to support mitochondrial function. Our mitochondria, the cellular powerhouses, become less efficient with age. Research from the University of Oxford indicates that sage's active compounds help restore mitochondrial efficiency, directly addressing the cellular basis of fatigue. The transformation began subtly. About 2 weeks after incorporating sage into my daily routine, morning grogginess diminished noticeably. By week 4, the afternoon energy crashes had virtually disappeared. Most remarkably, my mental clarity returned to levels I hadn't experienced in years. Implementing sage into your routine requires understanding dosage and preparation methods. Based on clinical studies and traditional wisdom, I found the most effective approach involves 300-600 milligrams of sage leaf extract daily or a fresh sage tea infusion made with 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves. For tea preparation, steep the dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, keeping the pot covered to preserve the volatile oils responsible for many of sage's benefits. Adding a small amount of fat, like a drop of olive oil, enhances absorption of fat-soluble compounds. The timing of consumption matters significantly. Research from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggests taking sage in the morning optimizes its effects on cognition and energy throughout the day, while avoiding consumption after 2 p.m. prevents potential interference with sleep cycles. Sage works through multiple pathways simultaneously, creating a synergistic effect that addresses energy production comprehensively. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce the energy-draining effects of chronic low-grade inflammation common after 50. Studies from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirm sage's powerful anti-inflammatory effects. The herb's ability to support hormonal balance particularly benefits those over 50. Research published in Advances in Therapy demonstrates sage's positive effects on estrogen balance in women and testosterone utilization in men. Hormonal factors directly linked to energy levels and vitality. Sage's incredible antioxidant content ranks among the highest of any food or herb. Comparative studies show sage contains more than 160 distinct polyphenols, plant compounds that protect against oxidative stress. This oxidative protection directly translates to preserved cellular energy production. Beyond fatigue, I noticed unexpected improvements in other age-related concerns. Joint discomfort diminished, mental recall improved, and my sleep quality deepened significantly. These side benefits align with research findings on sage's comprehensive effects on age-related decline. The comparison between sage and conventional approaches reveals important differences. While pharmaceutical solutions often target isolated symptoms, sage addresses multiple biological pathways simultaneously, working with your body's natural systems rather than overriding them. Scientific validation of sage continues growing. A 2023 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease confirmed sage's significant benefits for cognitive function and energy metabolism in adults over 50. This research validates what traditional medicine systems have maintained for centuries: